Hi, Do It Leisure. This is Tiara. Our food of the week this week was mushrooms, so we are going to be making some stuffed mushrooms today. So starting off, to make our stuffed mushrooms, I'm going to fill them with some cheddar cheese and some Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to fill a few of them with some spinach. I went off by putting some foil on my cooking sheet, and now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. While the oven is preheating to 350 degrees, I am going to go ahead and grate some of my cheddar cheese since I didn't buy it pre-shredded. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Now that I have some cheddar cheese shredded, I threw some Parmesan cheese on my plate, just enough to fill the ones I'm going to be using. So I'm going to put that off to the side for a second, and I'm going to start prepping our mushrooms. We're going to go ahead with a spoon and just take out the middle part and pop it out. And it just falls right out of the middle, like that. Before we throw our mushrooms in, I'm just going to put a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt over them. And now we are going to toss them into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. So now that our timer is done, I'm going to go ahead and pull them out and look at them. And those look perfect. So I'm going to plate them and then I'll come back. These are the mushrooms that are done, and I hope you enjoyed this video, so stay tuned next week for our next food of the week.